just bringing 2 pipes for 2 EV chargers.
Okay.
And we intercepting the main service inside and digging underground. We're gonna run some conduits and put in the stand charges, and that's about it.
So it's gonna be 2 EVs here.
That's correct. One is gonna be there, and one is gonna be in this other slot. And
Okay.
that's it.
That's great. That's great.
It'll also be controlled by Wi-Fi, so not anyone can come in and just charge their car. It'll be good. It'll be nice.
And how many days do you think this takes? 1 day, 2 days?
It's gonna take 2 days.
2 days?
Today and tomorrow, hopefully we'll wrap it up.
Wow, pretty fast.
This is where everything takes effect. We come into a electrical room, and during for our main electrical services, come in here. We're gonna tap into this big panel, which is fed with 400 amp service, 120 208. We're gonna run a conduit coming all the way down to this wall. We'll penetrate the wall. As you can see, we've already got a hole going all the way through the concrete outside, and then from there we take it underground. But this is the main distribution center for all these electrical panels, and this is where we're getting our 2 chargers from. And today we just mounted the units, and they are ready to go. We're fixing ready to fire up here in a minute, and we're gonna be testing them, and that's it. As y'all can see, all the underground, it looks clean. I mean, we already put all the grass back in place, and then we clean in our best knowledge, and it's best we can get. So hopefully these people, I think they're very happy as far as work-wise what we've done. So, and we're pleased to be doing it for them.